you think an income tax raid is slow, paper-heavy affair? From today, one encrypted chat or a hidden crypto wallet could trigger a midnight knock. After 17 years, the Indian Tax Department has released a brand new search and seizure manual. Officers are now trained to scan the dark web, trace crypto wallets, and even issue airport lookout circular in minutes. A raid can now start on a simple reason to suspect. The officer never has to reveal those reasons, not to you, not even to a tribunal. New powers let the investigators comb through your emails, trading apps, and social media accounts. Spaces the old act never covered. Get caught hiding income and you now face swift tax demands, stiffer penalties and prosecutions, no lengthy appeals to buy time. For the states, digital tools plus broader powers mean faster recoveries and fewer legal roadblocks. Exactly what policymakers want to shrink the black money gap. Wider scope to act, secrecy round tips, real-time data mining and immediate penalties. Four levers that makes invasions riskier than ever. Picture this. A tip flags unexplained crypto inflows. Within hours, officer trace the wallet, freeze asset at the bank and walk in with the warrant. No question answers until the inventory is signed. The removal or overhaul of traditional income tax rate books empowers tax authorities with clearer, more flexible and technology-enabled enforcement tools, enabling swifter action and tougher penalties. Bottom line, transparency isn't optional anymore. Keep records clean, declare honestly, and the only knock you will hear is opportunity and not enforcement. Follow Chola Securities for more simpler and detailed updates.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.